Testing, testing, testing. Testing, 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 testing. Testing, 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 testing. All right, I can hear myself now.
Connection Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hope my mic is working this time. So as price is trading in the midnight open, I'm gonna be giving a quick top-down analysis of what I'm looking at in price, and we're gonna go from there. Send alert right here. All right. So monthly time frame. So we have about 7 days into the monthly candle closes. Right now we are in the expansion phase of this monthly candle. Weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, you guys can see that we had this accumulation, then we had this displacement being shown. This weekly candle. I'm gonna be deleting these thingies. All right. So we had the accumulation, then we were shown displacement from this area, and this weekly candle we opened, manipulated, and then we came down. But you can see how this candle, we had this immediate rebalance reaction from this wick, from February 3 candles, Monday's wick. So we retested the wick, showed reaction away from it. Daily time frame. From the expansion displacement being shown, we left a daily gap. So we had Tuesday, Wednesday, and then finally we had Thursday trading into the gap. And then you can see we had this aggressive reaction to the upside. Friday, I'm not really expecting a lot of volatility to kick in for Friday. If today does want to pull for the weekly candle wick to close, then we can let that do that. But so far, we have already taken previous daily high. But if this daily does want to offer fair value, then I'll definitely be looking for Tuesday's high as my drawn liquidity if this daily wants to offer fair value. So that's the daily time frame. Now we're going to go in with the 4 hour. So 4 hour time frame, right now, I was bullish. I just don't like seeing this current reaction that we're having right now with the 6 a.m. 4 hour candle. But it's pretty crystal clear. I mean, you had this accumulation, manipulation down. If you refine the daily imbalance, which is the orange box, you can see that we had this 4 hour imbalance nested right inside this daily. So you can see that we had the accumulation, Thursday drive lower, repricing this 4 hour imbalance. If you want, you can also pull out your premium discount. So this swing low and this swing high. You can see how we tap the 0.62 of our fib retracement down into optimal trade entry, which lies a 4 hour gap. Then we had this retracement back up. We had these body closures above this 4 hour. So this would be your inversion. So pretty much it'll be like something like this. Just your inversion. What I'm paying attention to right now is the 10 a.m. open. So if 10 a.m. somehow closes below this 4 hour inversion or this 4 hour BISI, then I'm likely going to stay off for today because I'm not really looking for shorts today. So if we do close below this 4 hour BISI, then I'll be hands off. I'll just be tape reading. But if we do manage to pull back up and close above this, then I'll resume looking for entries for longs. But as of now, I don't really like seeing this pullback unless we're trying to manipulate or create SMT. So let me see right now. Right now, we don't have SMTs at the lows. We did have SMTs at the highs though, with NQ taking out previous daily high, but ES failing to do so. So we did have those SMTs at the highs. If I draw my high and low of our premium discount range, you can see that we did slightly tap equilibrium. So below equilibrium, which is like discount. So you can see we slightly tapped it. So that's the 4 hour. Now we're going to go down to the hourly time frame. So hourly time frame. So yeah, it looked pretty close to clear, the accumulation manipulation. So now we have traded below the midnight opening price with this 9 a.m. hourly candle. We had this hourly imbalance, which I was looking for to offer value to high of day and continue the strong trend. But we have swept 3 a.m. candles low. In terms of SMT, we do have SMT at these lows. So you can see that this 9 a.m. hourly candle did not take the 3 p.m. Thursday hourly candle low. But on ES, we did. So I'm going to draw it out real quick. So ES took that candle low. And NQ pretty much didn't. So those are SMTs. I'm going to draw this purple so that way it does not get mixed up with Paris multi-high level. So we have traded below the midnight opening price. We have swept liquidity. So this low got swept, which is, I'm pretty sure, the London low. So London low got swept. This is where most people will start looking for inversions to go long off just from the sweep of London lows in S&T and below the midnight opening price. So that's the hourly. Gonna delete these deviations because this low already got swept. All right. So this is the 15 now. London low got swept below the midnight opening price. We had news now. So we had the 9:45 news. In terms of PD, right, to work with, let's see.
Connection lost.
Nala, yeah. I'm looking for longs. I don't really have a strong PD array to look for. Unless you want to apply the old swing lows with highs. I like to think that this move down was just to reprice to equilibrium or discount and then continue pushing higher. But I need confirmation first. Because I'm really confident for the highs getting taken. If not, next week. 15, 5 minute. So we had S&Ts. Go back to the 15 actually. Let's pull up the, yeah. Let's pull up the daily manipulation level. All right, so yeah, we swept the London lows. This looks more of like a New York seek and destroy daily profile. All right, I'm gonna show you what that is real quick. Drawings. Okay, so what I'm referring to as the New York daily S&D profile is when we have the Asia consolidation. We have London sweeping out Asia low and Asia high. So once we saw this, what did New York do? New York swept the London high, and if this is a true validating S&D profile, you would expect New York to reverse and then take out the low. I just didn't expect it to happen because longs look pretty good, but in a bearish case scenario, if I was bearish and I had a bias of being bearish, then yeah, you could definitely play the S&D profile on a Friday. So just wait for London to sweep out Asia highs and lows, wait for a sweep of London high or a sweep of London low, and then play the reversal out that range. So this is pretty much just a range. So I'm going to try to delete everything. Then I'll go from there. Delete this. So what I mean by a range is this. It's pretty much just price going back and forth. So now I went over the daily profile. So as far as drawing liquidity, I'm still going to remain bullish because on the 4 hour time frame, yeah, we can see this pullback coming down. But if we draw our premium discount range, you can see that price is trading to below equilibrium. So we're still bullish. It's not until we get a proper closure below this 4 hour imbalance. Then that's when I'm like, yeah, we're definitely bearish. Or a closure below these consecutive up close candles. So validating the change to delivery. So then I'll definitely be bearish. But for now, I'm still bullish. I'm actually going to have that on here in my chart. Just have it like this. Yeah. Do we still have those SMTs at the lows? Let's see. ES took out this low. Yeah, we still have the SMTs at the lows. Okay. In terms of being long, there's not really like a higher time frame PD rate for me to play off. So I'm gonna have to wait for this 15-minute up here. I'm gonna be right back. All right, what are we doing now? Okay, so I want you guys to look at the hourly time frame. So we have this hourly imbalance slightly below right here. So I'm gonna mark this out. I want to see if price can dig a little more deeper into this hourly imbalance. And then from here, I'm gonna go to the 5
Connection
minute
lost.
and then see if we can look for a setup to go long. If we're able to reprice into this imbalance down here. So let's see if we get that entry. If not, we can wait for 10 o'clock to open and then manipulate into the hourly fair value gap right here. So 10 o'clock open, manipulation, and then distribution back up. But if you look at your 4-hour time frame to the top left, if we do close above this swing low of this previous 4-hour, that gives us more confirmation to look for a reversal back to the high. So I actually want us to leave this alone, have the 10 a.m. open, manipulate down to this low, into this hourly imbalance, and then look for a long entry off that. So let's see if it pans out. So that's the game plan for now. All right, 10 a.m. is going to open very soon. So we're gonna see if this pans out. Looking for 10 a.m. to open and manipulate to our hourly busy. Okay, never mind. We we rebalanced it already. All right, so we took out the this low, so now we rebalanced the hourly fair value gap, and we closed below it bodies of candles. All right, it was worth a shot though, but I would have preferred 10 a.m. to open then take out the hourly imbalance. All right, new 10 a.m. Let's go. All right, so 10 a.m. has opened. Is there any higher time frame PD rates to look for? We do have this 15-minute gap above. There's a big SMT at the lows though. Yeah, ES has dug deeper. Let's see if we get one more sweep of this low. What do you guys think? Up or down? I'm bullish, but we are not getting any lower time frame change state delivery. Yeah, we're just slowly grinding back down. I mean, what I'm looking at right now is just this hourly imbalance because we're at optimal trade entry of our high and low of our 4 hour dealing range. And we have this hourly imbalance. So what I'm looking at is just kind of just like sweeping this low and then having a change state delivery and then push higher. But like how you said, we're not really getting any change to delivery. Because we've been grinding down like practically since like 8 o'clock. We've been we've just been bearish all the time. So I'm just waiting for the pullback either to at least either to equilibrium or just completely reversing. because we do have 9:45 news that we haven't taken yet, so that would be a good target as well. We'll mark this out. So ideally, the people who have been making money as of now have been bears. So I'm gonna be looking for longs to at least taking out the 9:45 high, which is where the news release was. So I'm paying attention to the hourly gap that we trade into at around optimal trade entry. There is this green candle, however. 3-minute time frame. It's not really a 3-minute inversion to play off of as well. 2-minute, 1-minute. We are above the 10 a.m. open now. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right. I mean, we have the 10 a.m. open here. If we do reverse and push lower, then that's going to be completely normal. But I tried the longs off the 10 a.m. open close above. So we're trading back into this 1-minute imbalance. Yeah, so we got that closure below this 1 minute imbalance, so that's not what I really want to see. All right, so 4 hour, retest the optimal trade entry, hourly time frame. We came into this hourly BISI. Then we had those SMTs at the lows. The 1 minute time frame, rejected off -4 standard deviation. 15, 5, 1 minute. 1 minute time frame. We didn't take out this low though. So if we do come down and take this low, then I'll probably look for re-entry back up. But honestly, longs don't look bad at all. Because we just been grinding down, 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 down. And if this is a range bound day where it's like just the range going back and forth, then longs don't look bad either. Because we do have this 15-minute imbalance above here as well. So we have this 15-minute imbalance right at premium. We are below the midnight opening. I mean, longs that don't look bad at all, but I could probably just been on the wrong timing. So price does come down, sweep the lows. I could look for re-entry back up, but let's see. But yeah, this is my premium discount range. We have equilibrium. We have the high that 945 put in. It's above that premium, so that could be a good target. 10 o'clock open. We already retested the hourly. I mean, longs don't look bad at all. But like if we do take out this low, then I'll definitely look for re-entry back up. Currently looking for longs if we get a 5-minute CISD. 5-minute CISD. Yeah, definitely a closure above this up close candle. But like I said, if we do run the low once more and then get change delivery to the upside, I will look for re-entry. no SMT at the lows on the 1 minute. We just had them on the hourly. So if we do come down lower and then have that CISD pullback, then definitely we'll look for longs again. I think my entry was just bad right now. It was wrong timing.
Stop filled.
All right, so I got stopped out on the trade. So I'm gonna look for re-entry if we run down the lows and then have a change to delivery. But overall, longs don't look bad at all. I probably just got in at the wrong time. That's fine. Brush it off and move on. So we tapped into the hourly imbalance. Now, if we do get that sweep and then we have some kind of SMTs at these lows and then get that change to delivery above this last up close candle or last down close candle and then retest it, then we'll look for longs again. So something like a sweep of this low, sweep of the equal lows below, and have some kind of SMT. And then get a closure above this last down close candle, stop below the SMT low, and then target the high. So that's what I'm currently looking at. So there's the low that we ran. Looking for ES to not take this low. If it does, then we'll just go with the hourly SMT. All right, so ES took this low. So ES managed to take out this low at 12 o'clock. And Q hasn't, so those are the SMT's lows. All right. So the last thing that I'm gonna look for now is just a closure above this last up close or down close candle, and now look for re-entry back to longs. So it's either this scenario or we just grind down to previous daily low. So those are the two scenarios I have in mind. It's either we have that retracement back up or we just take out previous daily low. 81 points away. So ES already took out the low. So ES already took out previous daily low. Yeah, ES already took previous daily low. So pretty much Thursday's low already got ran by ES. How many points? So we have been down 1.1% ever since we took out previous daily high. We do take out previous daily low, then now be an outside candle, taking out both highs and lows of Thursday. I'm just gonna watch on the hourly time frame because my draw liquidity was upside, but after what happened earlier, I think the market is just telling me that I'm wrong on the direction. So if the market is telling me I'm wrong on the direction, all I can do right now is just sit on my hands and just look. So I think that's what the market is trying to show me right now. It's just to sit on my hands and just look at price. We have our weekly candle. So opening, high, close. Then we have our hourly time frame. So we have the weekly opening here. Monday, Tuesday, creating hive day or hive week. Then we had Wednesday, Thursday into that daily busy. Friday. Wow. S&T really did a handful of it today. That daily S&T. Wow. So this is NQ on the left side, and then we have ES on the right side. So ES did not take the S&Ts or did not take the previous daily high above, but you can see how NQ did. So there were major S&Ts at the highs, and pretty much we had this move down. So if I pull up the dealing range of ES, we had the opening retesting the weekly open into premium, and then we had this flush down to previous daily low. I wasn't personally expecting a move down as I was really bullish for these highs, but the market proved me wrong, and all I can do right now is just show the reasoning behind this bearish case scenario. But yeah. So we took previous daily low now. So today was an outside candle where the daily just takes both the high and the low. So I drew these deviations from the swing high point to the swing point low with the 10 a.m. We had -1, -1.5 aligning with this fair value gap. This is your silver bullet zone. And you can see how it delivered right to previous daily low, which aligned with -2 and -2.5. So this was pretty clean. So now I think I'm just gonna tape read to 11 o'clock. I'm gonna tape read till 11. All right, I'm in the live stream. I don't really see anything too clear right now, so I'm gonna call it the end for today. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Journal, review what happened this week, go over the trades you took, and just figure out what you did right and figure out what you did wrong, and just go off from there. So yeah, this week was definitely not an easy week for a majority of traders, especially with that higher time frame accumulation that we had. It was not a very easy week for a majority of traders. Very challenging week. And I can say that it was very challenging for me as well. Did not take many trades this week. Some days I didn't even take a trade. But in terms of delivery and direction, it was very challenging. Today caught me off guard. I was mostly bullish today, but this sell side delivery down just caught me off guard a lot. But it happens. Market can prove that you're wrong. And when it tells you that you're wrong, all you can really do is just step aside, sit on your hands, and just watch. And honestly, that's the best way to grow as a trader. So when market tells you that you're wrong, it just means you're wrong, right? Because you're never going to be right 100% of the time. But this week is definitely something to review and journal. So I'll catch you guys next week on the live stream for Monday. So have a good weekend, guys. Don't be dumb. Don't do dumb stuff. Like I said, journal your trades, go over what happened this week, figure out what you did wrong, tweak it, and just collect as much data as you can. So I'll catch you guys on Monday. Be safe. Peace out.